can hold their souls instead.
Okay, I'm here. Hey! I made it!
Alright.
Is everything alright?
What is up, YouTube? Today, I'm going to be playing Greenhell. I'm playing Greenhell VR. And that is, the reason why I'm voiceovering this is because, half of, like, literally, the beginning of the game just got cut out. And, I'm looking for my wife. And she got missing because she wanted to go to a tribe. So, we gotta go find her. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Here. Jake, please answer me.
Shit.
Yo, bitch ass nigga, answer your fucking phone. Nigga, out one of your hoes, lock the fuck in. Like, you gonna post your story and leave me on fucking red? Like I'm a hoe, nigga? I gotta switch with a binary trigger with your name on the bitch ass nigga. Try me again.
Mia?
Mia,
What happened? Mia, speak to me.
Where are you?
Mia! What the hell's going on over there?
Where are you?
I cannot sleep, I cannot dream tonight.
And then this is a cutscene. You know, I'm walking over to the village. I see the campfire. One of them spots me, yells something, and they're chasing me, attacking me. Chasing me, I'm running, I'm falling. Oh wait, no. I slide. Then I fall into the water. Eesh.
Hello? Jake, what the hell is going on there? Come on, speak to me, Jake. ¿Por qué no me respondes?
Mia! Mia?
Uh-oh.
Damn it, this radio.
I'm going to switch out chargers, because, this charger, for some reason my headset's draining a lot of battery really quickly. Something with the Quest 3, I don't know. It's on the charger, it's just draining and draining and draining. I don't know why. Maybe it's where the charging port is. I don't know. Here, actually, let me try this for a little longer. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. All right, let me plug it in. All right. Now I'm here. Okay. I got a banana. Let's check this out. Yeah, effects. It's the 33rd day of the expedition. My notebook is drenched in water. Any supplies means no response. Find help. Pretty sure I gotta go this way, right? Yeah. Something like that. Oh yeah, here's the bridge. And then to the... Coconuts! 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 Oh, those are so useful. Damn it. Coconuts are so helpful. Where the fuck am I? Oh, okay. It's over here. Somewhere. Where? Okay.
Hello? Can anyone hear me? I had an accident. I don't know what happened. Please, help?
Alright, so...
Over! Anyone! Fuck.
Please! Please! I need to... you don't understand. You don't understand. This is everything to me.
Can I shut up? Thank you. Alright, so over here... I forgot, it's past this bridge. This rope bridge with bamboo. And a coconut. And you come over here, there's a few little animals. Capybara. Hey, buddy. Yes, Copahongo. These things are so helpful. There's a rattlesnake. Okay. Copahongo is so helpful though. Do I still have my... No, I don't. Okay. Here's a bow. It's good to end by. I guess I have to use arrows. Okay. Where is it? There's the scorpion. Okay. Okay, hold on. And die. I'm fucking hitting you. What the hell? Okay. I guess I can't get hurt or something? Well, I guess I need a weapon. I don't really get a weapon.
Say that again.
Wait, are these snails okay to eat? I'm not gonna fucking mistake. I'm taking a couple of them. Just go, please. Can you not, bro? Alright, so through here, I can go right up there, and there'll be a rock and a stick, and it'll tell me to make an axe. Motherfucker. Okay. So. There we go. Got an axe.
Can I ask you a question?
Oh, these things are bad. Those things are bad to eat. Bananas are good though. I'm about to eat a banana actually. These fruits are good too. I forgot what they're called. Coconut fruit. And there's a bird feather. Stick? Long stick? Okay. If I could find some rope, I can make me an upgraded axe here. Look at that. It's Rihanna. I never knew the name. Boom. Upgraded axe. Hell yeah. This is really helpful. Liana's really helpful. Stick. I don't know what this is actually. Hold on. Oh, tobacco. I don't know where that is. That's freaking me out, bro. There we go. There it is. I'm not gonna bother him. I'm gonna go back away actually. Tobacco. Everything flower is gonna be planted in a small planting box. Heat effects. Gets rid of poison. There's a bone. Coconut. Gonna break this block. Kinda don't want to use my axe on it. Let's see if I can find another rock. Ooh, these. Forgot about these. These are really good. Let me see what they're called. I know they're really good. Yeah, they give it a poison and stuff. Okay, here we go. Boom. There's a safe thing. I will save. Played a year ago, though. Almost. Played 10 months ago. Jesus. That was like the last one I played. Copahongo. Can never go wrong with these. I love Copahongos. Just keep going this way. Those are I don't know the animal. Let's take one of these. What do you got on you that I can take? Can I take your bones? No. Got any magnets? No. What? I'm pretty sure if I take this, or no, not that. This, I can. Oh. I'm pretty sure it's a bigger stick then. That I can turn into a spear. Okay, bird. Can you not go off in my ear with that? Whatever animal that is, stop. Shut up. You got any bones I can take from there? No? Okay.
Oh, it's a map. Or at least what's
Okay. Boom. And then here's the ayahuasca pot. Where's that? Here it is. Ayahuasca pot. Oh no. Where are these? Okay. This thing is bad to eat. Don't eat these. They're bad. Grab this. That's it? Ayahuasca? Sticks. So I'm just gonna take down this tree right here. Hi, cat. You gonna say hi to the camera, Mordecai? Huh? You gonna say hi to the camera? Come on, make another noise. Come on. Stop rubbing on my legs. Just make a noise or something. I don't know. Just gonna stay quiet, huh? Stupid fucking cat. Take down the banana tree. The banana leaves. Alright. No. How would I do that? There we go. There it is. I have some in my bag. I don't need that. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Now I'm about to trip balls.
time taking an energy drink. He's never taken one before.
Never, bro. I think I'm faded.
There's a little guy.
Hey,
Okay, buddy.
What are you doing
don't
here?
gotta start screaming now.
hey, wait! What the?
Jesus, put that away. Oh my lord. Alright, I'm just gonna cover him. I'm just gonna cover him. Dude, just keep running. In front of my covered hand. No, I'm gonna... Alright, we made it to the end. Last time I played this game, I played it on my Quest 2. And
Hey, kid!
Motherfucker.
Where
And actually,
you?
my left stick had like a... The thumbstick was broken off, and it was just like this
Where am I?
plastic piece sticking out.
Hello?
And every time I ran, it would just
Kid?
dig into my hand. And I couldn't even get... I could like barely run in this part.
Yeah?
Oh shit.
You?
First contact is always.
They were about to murk her.
They're extremely weary.
You are one
I don't
ugly.
remember anything. You were calling to me.
You are too.
I ran out of the tent and...
Jesus.
Conversation is killing, and we don't even realize it.
Yeah.
Maybe it would have been better if I just died back then.
What the fuck? Guess who it is? Guess who it is? Oh yeah, I gotta touch her. Oh shit! She exploded.
Nigga, no.
She exploded into like a billion tiny pieces.
Nigga, no.
When the American colonization began, the conquistadores brought their diseases here with them.
Alright, you look cute.
Many tribes were wiped out, and the rest moved even deeper into
Just stay away from you. Pretty sure they're all guys.
Chief Guini went on and on about whole generations of his ancestors being decimated, until they received a gift.
Today I
from
reached
the
a
jungle.
village so far.
And me? Naively, I assured them about our good intentions.
Why can I stick my finger in her mouth? That's really bad.
They trusted us,
Okay, I'm just gonna stay away from all the women.
embraced us as their own.
I'm just gonna stay away from all the women. I can't.
They even shared their secret with us.
What
Dios
secret?
mío. ¿Qué hemos hecho?
Guess who? Your mouth open? Oh fuck!
I just wanna...
Jake,
Come in, please.
come in, please. I need you.
I need to wake up. You are one sweaty
Mia?
motherfucker.
Wait! I'm here!
Why are they so wet? Jesus. God. They're just like soaked. Just soaked men running around. Almost butt booty naked.
Hello? Jake? Please. I can't live without you.
I'm here.
Is it really you? What happened? Are you safe?
Gracias a Dios que estás vivo. Me? I'm safe. Trust me. Tell me what happened to you. I was losing it trying to contact you.
I was hoping you could tell me that. You called me in the middle of the night, and I ran out to look for you, and all I remember is running and falling?
Wait, you fell? That doesn't sound good. Okay, take it easy. Breathe. Do you know where you are?
Nope.
I have no idea.
Can you give me some clue as to your whereabouts? A landmark or something?
Just gonna try to make a bow. I'm not gonna make a bow.
Yeah. I have a GPS in my watch. Can you write this down?
Yes, but you had the map and the GPS. We weren't supposed to split up and... God. This is all my fault.
Uh-oh.
Hey. There has to be another
A
way.
lot of good food here. I can't let it go away.
You held
Somebody eat it all.
left me.
Mia? Come again? You're breaking up.
Without the... Oh,
Mia? Mia! Oh, fuck! Battery's dead.
Alright. My map says to go to 8-2. Alright. Alright, let's go. Am I sleepy? I don't think so. I think I'm okay. Alright. I need the map better. I'm gonna make something of this. How do I take this? And I take you. But I'm pretty sure I can also break in half. Pretty sure I can also make something like this, right? No.
Everything around is a dream.
Eat it. I'm eating it. Okay. Do your worst. Ooh, that was really bad, actually. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm not insane yet. Bone spear? Wheat spear with bone knife. So I can pull this out in there. 4 and 5. Which either way is good. Oh my god. I gotta go. This way. Gotta go 8-2. Alright. Still in the jungle. Oh, there's dead body. Okay. Dead body. Animal. Do you have any bones on you? Maggots? No, nothing? Again? Wow. What did I just drop? I don't even know what I dropped. Oh, it was a cookie. And I didn't even drop it. Also, take this and this. Two hits took so much trouble. Jeez. Guess I'll just follow this one. There. I thought if I did that with the bit on, it would make it so that I couldn't bid on. Bid on. Bid on.
Be down. Be down.
Be down. Okay. Be down. Be down. Be down. I thought it was just the one-time use thing, but I'm pretty sure it's it. I'm pretty sure it's just if you hold a broken open face. And then you could still eat it. Don't fall. Uh-oh. Friendly. Ooh, why are there so many? Sorry, oh wait, you break open already. Coming up here. Thought I was playing into the radius for a second. Trying to grab the map and but go just a little bit and turn right. Oh, cart go. I thought he was right at my feet. It's like under like banana. They're green. I'm sure that he's getting them a little bit. Just a little camp. Yes, I can sleep. Wait, hold on. Shit. Fuck. Just a little bit too early. That's okay. I'll yes! Okay, I have meat. I have meat now. If I like to take off, yeah, no. I don't. That's okay. No, you scared the shit out of me. Uh-oh, so don't I have tobacco? Have tobacco? Okay. Where is like a rock? Bro, I don't even have a rock. I can't even go back and... Oh, wow.
Hey, Mia. I didn't mention this earlier, but a rock covered with tribal paintings. Now it's gone, as if it never existed.
What do you mean, gone?
It disappeared.
Jake, cariño, you're not making any sense. When did you last sleep?
Never mind that. I found a way through. Over and out.
Just be careful.
Yes, ma'am. I'm on my way, ma'am.
I will. Damn. Alright. Okay. Last time I played, I got there and I went back and then I stopped playing. And there's a little surprise over here somewhere. Pretty sure it's over this way down the river. Hopefully I don't take the river. What? I died. I didn't even fall that far. I could have survived that. That's horseshit. Bruh. So if I fall down there, I didn't die. Come on, isn't this poisonous? Aren't you poisonous? Oh no, you come here.
Oh shit.
Kill me.
That is.
Ooh. Good voices. There we go, I died. I'm gonna be in the same exact place. Oh! Okay. It's after the ayahuasca. Okay, that's good.
I can't live without you.
Yes, you can.
What happened? Are you safe?
That's so dumb. This is such a...
Gracias a Dios que
This is
estás
so
vivo.
stupid.
Me? I'm safe.
Oh,
Trust me.
you don't want me to sleep.
Tell me what happened to you. I was losing it trying to contact you.
Hey, Mia. I didn't mention this earlier, but I saw a rock covered with tribal paintings. Now it's gone, as if it never existed.
What do you mean, gone?
It disappeared.
Jake, cariño, you're not making any sense. When did you last sleep?
Never mind that. I found a way through. Over and out.
Just be careful.
Oh, so she's talking to me as if I'm crazy or something. A lot of those. I'm dead right now. Yes, these are good. Pine cones. And they give me a lot of... I still don't know if that's supposed to be. Give me juices. I literally did such a small drop. Hopefully I don't fall off. I don't want to die. The other spot? Not down here, is it? No, there is a cave. Is there any others? No, need water. That's about it.
And you will receive, goddamn.
Take it all, water. Oh, coconuts. My bad, guy. My bad. I didn't know I'm in your block. My bad, guy. I didn't know you run these parks. That is my bad, guy. Shit, I'll run these parks. I don't give a fuck, no. Oh, damn.
Jake, can you hear me?
What do you want?
Hello? Mia? You there?
Jake? Oh my god, I'm freaking out here. Why did you go silent? What happened?
Battery died. I had to charge it. We can't talk long. Just tell me where you are. I'll find you somehow.
Me? I told you. I'm safe. Let's focus on you, okay? Report everything. I'll always be here for you if you need to talk.
Okay, will do. Over and out. As for the coordinates, can you tell me anything more? What should I expect there?
Honey, I know as much as you do.
Any details? Anything?
It's a page with some notes, that's all.
Fair enough.
Bitch, fuck, take that. Yeah, those are good.
Mia, just before the accident, you called me in the middle of the night. What happened?
My lamp went out. I panicked.
Oh, come on. You were scared. What happened?
I know. I'm sorry. Don't worry about me.
I need to know if everything's all right. Okay?
It's not all right. How can it be? You're out there, far away from me.
You're upset.
You're right. It's just...
I know.
Mia, before you called, I drank ayahuasca. It helped me remember our first days here.
Leeches!
When you went to the village.
What? Jake, don't ever do that again. It's dangerous. Besides, not all you see under its influence is true.
But did you get to the village by boat?
Yeah.
You did take part in the ritual.
That doesn't change anything. I'm afraid of what you might see. Just come back to me. Please. Let's leave the past behind.
I'm trying to, but I need to know what happened. Mia? Hey, this might sound weird, but I found a road.
What? What? How so?
Someone must have come through here recently. I'm gonna check it out.
Oh, great. Looking forward to some good news.
You're not gonna believe what I just found.
A city made of gold.
What? Oh, no, it's a Jeep. Well, it's not running anymore, but, you know, there's some useful stuff in it.
So it's good news, right?
I think so. There's one thing that bothers me, though. I found something that looks like a listening device connected to the walkie-talkie. Crazy, right?
That's not good. Do you think someone might be listening to us?
It would be nice. Maybe they could help find me and I could finally get out of here.
Usually, if someone is eavesdropping, they don't have the best of intentions.
I'm starting to think it doesn't even matter.
Don't lose hope. You have to come back to me.
I know. Don't worry.
Alright, just get fucking river. Is there anything on this side? No, okay. Well, it's on fuel, so could be good. Sound like a cat. Listening device on the walkie-talkie. Where the hell would that be? And when did I find that? I don't remember ever looking at it. There's a little place. Is there anything? No bones on it? No bones. Alright, let's go up. Sure can. Can't even. If I could use that as a bidon, bro. Jeez.
So, still looking for climbing gear.
Nowhere to be found, huh? Any ideas?
Well, I have a map, a marker, notebook, and a sense of humor.
Is that so?
Staying positive is the first rule of survival. Everyone knows that.
And what's the second?
Finding the source of fresh water.
Nice. Someone has been a good Boy Scout.
More like I spend way too much time in front of the TV.
Well, it sure paid off.
Yeah, I guess.
Just keep going, okay?
Right, over and out.
Over. How are you not dead?
Fuck off me.
What did I die from? Bleeding. What? That's dumb. That's stupid.
You're not gonna believe what I just found.
A city made of gold.
What? No, it's a Jeep. Well, it's not running anymore, but, you know, there's some useful stuff in it.
So it's good news, right?
I think so. There's one thing that bothers me, though. I found something that looks like a listening device connected to the walkie-talkie. Crazy, right?
That's not good. Do you think someone might be listening to us?
100%.
I don't know. This isn't the first strange thing I found in the jungle, you know.
Okay, fair enough.
Come on, let's down here. There's a thing in the valley. Actually, I'm gonna eat this one. All of that. And I'm gonna go sleep. And replace the save that I had. Alright. Now I did that, now let's go way back where I was. When I was
So, still looking for climbing gear.
Nowhere to be found, huh? Any ideas?
Well, I have a map, a marker, notebook, and a sense of humor.
Is that so?
Staying positive is a first rule of survival. Everyone knows that.
What the fuck? He was just in the floor,
What's the second?
squealing.